Morning, dear children. Today we continue our second chapter. What is the name of our second chapter? Do you remember it? Do you remember our second chapter's name? Yes. Our second chapter is Landforms of the Earth. We study about in this chapter major landforms on the Earth. Which are the major landforms of the Earth? Many days we repeat. Which are the major landforms of the Earth? Mountains and hills, plateaus, plains, islands, glaciers, valleys, and deserts. We studied in previous days mountains and hills, plateaus, plains, and islands. Today we study about glaciers, valleys, and deserts. Today we study about glaciers, valleys, and deserts. What is a glacier? Glaciers are slow-moving masses of ice. Glaciers are slow-moving masses of ice. Glaciers are formed by the deposition of snow on the mountains over a period of time. How are glaciers formed? Glaciers are formed by the deposition of snow on the mountains over a period of time. When a glacier melts due to heat of the sun, river form. Do you understand what is a glacier? Glacier is a large masses of ice on mountains. Glaciers are large masses of ice on mountains. Glaciers are slow-moving masses of ice. Glaciers are formed by the deposition of snow on the mountains over a period of time. When a glacier melts due to the heat of the sun, river formed. How a river formed in northern India? And the glaciers of Himalayas melt the heat of sun and therefore rivers such as Ganga, Indus, etc. We study about northern plains are fertile. Why are northern plains are fertile? They have more rivers. The rivers formed the mountain Himalaya. Then we study about valleys. What is a valley? A valley is a low-lying region between mountains or hills. A valley is a low-lying region between mountains and hills. People prefer living in valleys because they are sheltered. People prefer living in valleys because they are sheltered. Several major civilizations flourish in river valleys. Several major civilizations flourished in river valleys. Kulu, Kashmir, Kangra. Kulu, Kashmir, Kangra. Kulu, Kashmir, Kangra are the beautiful valleys in India. Which are the beautiful valleys in India? Kulu, Kangra and Kashmir are the beautiful valleys in India. Kulu, Kangra, Kulu, Kashmir, Kangra are the beautiful valleys in India. We study about valleys. What is a valley? A valley is a low-lying region between mountains or hills. People prefer living in valleys because they are sheltered. Several major civilizations flourished in river valleys. The soil of river valleys are very fertile. Kulu, Kashmir and Kangra are the beautiful valleys in India. Then we study about desert. What is a desert? Deserts are large areas of land without any vegetation. Deserts are large areas of land without any vegetation. Deserts are hot and cold. Deserts are hot name of that desert? Thar Desert in Rajasthan. That is a hot desert. Thar Desert in Rajasthan is a hot desert. Sand hills are created by the wind in desert. Sand hills are created by the wind in desert. These are called sand dunes. And the name of sand hills? Sand dunes. And the name of sand hills? Sand dunes. Deserts are hot during the day, cold during the night. Deserts are very hot during the day, very cold during the night. Deserts are not populated because as the life in desert is very hard. Deserts are not populated because as life in the desert is very hard. Today we study about three major landforms in the world. Which are the three major landforms in the world? Glaciers, valleys, desert. Our second chapter is major landforms of the earth. We study about mountains and hills, plateaus, plains, islands, glaciers, valleys, and desert. These landforms we study about in our second chapter. Today we study about glaciers, valleys, and desert. Then let us watch a slide. We revise our second chapter. Our second chapter is chapter 2, landforms of the earth. Then next slide. Understand these pictures? We see many times for these pictures. Which are they? First one mountain, second one island, third one place. Then look next slide. The earth contains 70% of water and 30% is island. What are called landforms? The natural formations that can be seen on the earth in different shapes and sizes are called landforms. We revise our second chapter fully today. Then look next slide. Which are the major landforms? Mountains, hills, plateaus, plains, islands, glaciers, valleys, and desert. Then look next slide. Look here, mountains and hills. Which are the mountains and which are the hills? Did you understand? Then look next slide. This is under picture of mountain and under picture of hills. Then look next slide. All of them read with me again and again. Mountains occupy about 24% of the land on the earth. The mountains are very tall. It has steep slopes. Lower than a mountain is a hill. Hills are not as high as mountains. We write and study about this sentence. A chain of mountains is known as a range. Then look next slide. The Aravallis, look here, plateaus. Did you understand this picture? This is a plateau. Then look next slide. This is another type of plateau. Then look next slide. A plateau is a flat raised platform that resembles as a table. Many plateaus are millions of years old. The southern part of India is a plateau. The southern part of India is a plateau. Then look next slide. Look here. This is a picture of plains. Then look next slide. this is a northern plains. Look here, northern plains are very fertile. Then a plain is a large stretch of relatively flat land. Plains are found in every continent except Antarctica. What is the special feature of Antarctica? Antarctica has hidden plains. Antarctica covered with ice. Then northern plains and coastal. Difference between northern plains and coastal plains. Northern plains. We see northern plains. They are cultivated in different types of cereals. Then look at coastal plains. Coastal plains are very good for cultivation and they have harbors and coasts. Then look next slide. This is island. One type of island. Look at the slide. Did you like this picture? This is an island. Then look next slide. An island is a piece of land surrounded on all sides of water. An island is a piece of land surrounded on all sides of water. Islands can be in the middle of oceans, rivers, seas, or lakes. Groups of islands in India. Lakshadweep Islands lies in Arabian Sea to the west. Andaman and Nicobar Islands lies in the Bay of Bengal to the east. Then look next slide. Sorry, this is a glacier. You see, this is a glaciers. Glaciers are slow-moving masses of ice. Glaciers are slow-moving masses of ice. Glaciers are formed by the deposition of snow on the mountains over a period of time. Glaciers are formed by the deposition of snow on the mountains over a period of time. Then look next slide. This is another type of glacier. Did you understand? Then look next slide. Read with me. Glaciers are slow-moving masses of ice. Glaciers are formed by the deposition of snow on the mountains over a period of time. Then look next slide. This is a valley. What is a valley? A valley is a low-lying region between mountains or hills. This is two mountains. Low-lying region of two mountains is called valley. Low-lying region of two mountains is called a valley. Then look next slide. Further read it in. Further read. A valley is a low-lying area between mountains or hills. Valleys, people, Kulu, Kashmir and Kangra are some examples of beautiful valleys in India. The soil of valley is very fertile. Then look next slide. What is this? Do you understand? This is a desert. Did you see the hill of sand? That is called sand dunes. Did you see the hill of sand? That is called sand dunes. Then look next slide. Do you see what is this? Another type of desert. Did you understand? This is another type of desert. Then look next slide. The deserts are large areas of land without any vegetation. Sand wind in desert, these are called sand dunes. Deserts are hot during the day, cold during at night. Thar Desert that lies in the state of Rajasthan is an example of a hot desert. Then look next slide. I hope all of you understand today's class, our second chapter. All of them understand? I know or will learn it. Meet in another class. Bye.